Students, let us start the class. Actually, this chapter is, as I said, very important chapter. But the great thing is, tough problems are not given. Only basics. Basics are given. Just question and just answer. No big solution, no big formulas or many concepts. Just understanding the Cartesian coordinate, Cartesian system. Horizontal line, reference line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis, point of intersection of the two lines is called origin. When we draw two reference lines, the plane is divided into four parts. They are called quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. And any point in the Cartesian system is denoted by two values. First is called x coordinate, it is also called abscissa. Second is called y coordinate, it is also called ordinate. So this we studied, and based on this concept only we are solving the exercises. So first exercise only orally I explained. It is not actually related to exactly mathematics, so just we completed it. Then in second exercise we completed 4 problems. Now fifth problem. Students, all of you open your textbooks, 117 page, exercise 5.2, fifth question. Once again I will draw the Cartesian system so that you will get some idea. What is this? X-axis. What is this? Y-axis. What is this? Origin. What is this? First quadrant. What is this? Second quadrant. What is this? Third quadrant. What is this? Fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, tell the signs of x and y. X is positive, y is positive. Here, x is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is negative. X is positive, y is negative. Next, any point on x-axis, y value is 0. That I explained. Any point on y-axis, x value is 0. If y is 0, that is on x-axis. If x is 0, that is on y-axis. This first value is called x coordinate. It is also called abscissa. Second value is y coordinate, or it is also called ordinate. So this I explained, and since 3 days we are discussing about this. This is the 4th class in this coordinate geometry. So 5th question, start. In the Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called y-axis. True or false? Students, tell me, true or false? Jogipet branch, yes. So is it true or false? Tell me. What is meant by horizontal? Still some students are confused about horizontal. See, this is the horizontal. This is called vertical. This is the vertical, this is the horizontal. So horizontal is called x-axis, not y-axis. Horizontal line is called x-axis, not y-axis. In the Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called y-axis. False. False. That's all. False. Only for practice of that concept. Second, in the Cartesian plane, the vertical line is called Vertical line is called y-axis. Second question. The statement is true or false. Don't see the answer. Just think and see the concept. Don't see your textbook answer. Cartesian plane, the vertical line is called y-axis. Is it correct or not? Yes, it is correct because vertical line is y-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis only. No doubt in it. Vertical line is called y-axis. Therefore, true. The point which lies on both the axes is called origin. This statement is true or false. Don't look at the textbook answer, just tell me true or false. Yes, many students are responding. Very good, students. I am happy for your interest. So, the point which lies on both the axes is origin. See, if you take a point here, it lies only on x-axis. If you take a point here, it lies only on y-axis. If you take point anywhere in this, it don't lie on axis. But this is the special point which lies on x-axis, which also lies on y-axis. Which point lies on both the axes? Axis means full form. X-axis and y-axis. Both the axes. So which point lies on both the axes? Origin. So the point which lies on both the axes is origin. So correct only. This is correct. True. Because the point which lie on x-axis as well as y-axis is origin. True. Fourth bit. Write down the fourth bit from the textbook. Minus 3 lies in the third quadrant. Is it true or false? 2 comma minus 3 lies in the third quadrant is true or false? See, once again look at this diagram. Third quadrant. See, this is the third quadrant. First quadrant starts from here. First, second, third, fourth. This is the third quadrant. In third quadrant, x is negative, y also negative. Both are negative. First coordinate is negative, second coordinate is also negative. This should be negative, this should be negative. See, both are negative, then only it is in the third quadrant. But here x is positive. So this is not in the third quadrant. This statement is false. This is false. Even you can tell where it lies. 2 comma minus 3, in which quadrant it lies? 2 comma minus 3, x positive, y negative, x positive, y negative, fourth quadrant. X positive, y negative, it lies in fourth quadrant. That also you can write. No need, this is over. Given point lies in fourth quadrant. That's all. Fifth question. Fifth question. -5 minus 8 lies in the fourth quadrant. Is it right or wrong? True or false? False. Very good. -5 comma -8 both are negative. Both are negative means third quadrant, not fourth quadrant. Both are negative means it is in third quadrant. So this is not in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, x should be positive. This should be plus. This should be plus. This is minus. See, plus minus fourth quadrant. So this is fourth quadrant means false. This is false. That is over actually. But if you want to write in detail, the given point lies in which quadrant? Both are negative means it is in third quadrant. Both are negative means third quadrant. Sixth bit. This statement is true or false, that I will explain. This is somewhat confusing. There is some confusion with the minus and plus. So directly you can't tell. Be careful because some confusion. See here, first I will give one numerical example, then you will understand. Don't write anything. The numerical example only for your for explaining the thing I am giving. Don't write it. See here. What is the point? Minus x minus y. Point is minus x minus y, no? What is x? Less than 0. See, minus, I will take some x value. I will take some number, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. What number I am taking? Less than 0. Tell a number less than 0. Tell a number less than 0. Any number. Tell a number less than 0. Any number less than 0, say less than 0 means negative, no? Less than 0, negative. X less than 0 means negative. So let us take minus 2. Already minus is there. If x is equal to minus 2, negative x value should be less than 0. X is minus 2 means minus of minus plus 2. Tell some one y value which is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative only. Less than 0 means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. All are negative numbers are less than 0. Say y value is minus 3. Less than 0 means we have taken negative only. So y is minus 3. Only minus is there. Minus of minus plus 3. So 2 comma 3, is it lies in the first quadrant? Yes, it lies in the first quadrant. It is true. Because x is less than 0. X less than 0 means negative number. Less than 0 means what? My negative numbers only. Less than 0 means always negative. So x is negative. Already minus is there. Minus of this minus, so will become plus. Y is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. So minus of this, already minus is there. Minus of minus is plus. So therefore, given statement is correct. This is true. For example, see here. X less than 0. Tell any number less than 0. Any number. Say minus 2. For example. Negative less than 0 means negative only we have taken. Y less than 0. So let y is equal to any number less than 0 you tell. Say minus 3. What is the point here? Minus x minus y minus x. X is how much? Minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2. Minus y is minus 3. So minus of minus plus 3. This definitely lies in the first quadrant. Lies in Q1. Therefore, this is true statement. True. This is a tricky question. Some confusing. So you have to understand. Already x is negative. This is negative. Minus into minus plus. Already y is negative. Already minus is there. So minus minus plus. Correct statement. True. True. Followed or not? Okay. After completing this, students, write down the sixth first question. Sixth first question. Sixth first question. Plot these points on the graph paper. Graph paper. See here. Take a graph paper. Draw the horizontal line. In a graph paper, in the middle, take middle, not end. In the graph paper, in the center, middle, draw the horizontal line. Middle, not at the end. Draw the horizontal line, which is x-axis. So from the middle, in the graph paper, take the middle, draw the vertical line. In the graph paper, from the middle, draw horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis. There will be some big squares. Each square take it as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, see here. -1, -2, -3. -4, -5, -6. This is origin. Next, this side 1, 2. Each box take 1. Big boxes 3, 4, 5, 6. Y value is negative. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Like this. On the graph paper, take the middle, draw with scale horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis. Take 1, 2, 3, each box has 1. Each box 1, second box 2, third box 3, fourth box 4, fifth box 5, like that. This side minus, one box -1, next box -2. So above also one box 1, second box 2, like that you draw. Now, given points. Or let us take it as P, let us take it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let us denote some names. 1, 0 is given, I am taking it as A, so that for explanation. Second point is 3, 0, I am taking it as B. Third point I am taking it as C, D, E, F. Or you can write like this: A is equal to B is equal to. We are taking this as C, this as D, this as E, this as F, this as G. Now see here. 1, 0. Where we have to plot this? 1, 0. Where is it? Can you locate 1, 0 on this Cartesian plane? X value 1, y value 0. X value 1, y value 0 means x value 1. Y 0 means it is on x-axis only. On x-axis y is 0. So where we have to put that 1, 0? Where is that 1, 0? Here. Any doubt in this? See. This is 1, 0. This is 1, 0. This is 1, 0 because x value 1, because on x-axis y is 0. Can you locate 3, 0? Where is that 3, 0? See here. X value 3, y value 0. This is A, no? A. And next B. What is the point? 3, 0. Can you locate -5, 0? Where is it? X value -5, y value 0. X value -5, y value 0. See here. C. E. 0, 0. See here. Actually it is origin denoted by O. But here say, let us take it as U only. Otherwise it should not be confused. Always that point is 0, 0 is always O only. O. Then in that case D, I will take it as E and I will take it as F. Because 0, 0, don't use other symbol to avoid confusion. Let us take it as O only. Whenever origin is there, it is denoted by O. Origin is O. That's all. Next E. 5, 0. Where is it? 5, 0 here. 5, 0. Minus 6, 0. Where is it? Here. F. Minus 6, 0 is F. I plotted all the points on the graph paper. Any doubt in this? Now, what is the question? What do you observe? What do you observe? Tell me. After plotting all these points, what do you observe? What do you observe? Sorry, this is not 5, 0. It is minus 5, 0. This is not 5. Minus 5. 1, 0, 3, 0. This is not denoted actually. This also we take C. C. What is C? Minus 2, this I did not locate it. Minus 2, 0. And D is minus 5, 0. O is 0, 0. E is E. E is 5, 0. And F is minus 6, 0. Okay. After plotting all these points, you take a bigger paper. So write the small letters to avoid the confusion. So anyway, it is very clear, even without plotting the points also, easily we can tell. In all these, y value is 0, y coordinate is 0. When y is 0, all the points lies on x-axis. Y is 0, all the points lies on x-axis. Is it clear or not? All these points, so write down, these points are plotted in the adjacent graph sheet. We observe that all the points lie on x-axis. All the points are on x-axis. Any doubt in this? All the points are on x-axis. Followed or not? Understood or not? All the points lies on x-axis. See, without drawing also we can tell. Without drawing this figure also you can tell. Because y coordinate 0 means, y 0 means all lies on x-axis. Just simple. Do the second bit. 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 5, plot these points on the graph paper. Draw. Is it over? Did you draw this diagram? Graph.